How to shadow read. Listen to my voice. Then read the text out loud with me at the exact same time. Try to copy my speed, rhythm, and tone. Don't worry if it's tricky. You can pause or replay the video as much as you want. Let's get started. Every Saturday morning, the Miller family does housework together. They work hard because they want a clean and tidy home. First, Sarah cleans the bathroom. She wipes the sink, washes the mirror, and cleans the toilet. Next, she goes to the kitchen. She sweeps the floor with a broom to collect the crumbs and then mops the floor with warm water so it shines. Her brother Leo is in his bedroom. He makes his bed with clean sheets and puts away his clothes in the closet. Then he tidies up his room by picking up his toys and books from the carpet. Their dad, Tom, is busy in the living room. He vacuums the rug to remove the dust and pet hair. He also uses a damp cloth to dust the furniture and clean the TV screen. In the afternoon, Tom does the laundry. He puts the dirty clothes into the washing machine. After the clothes are dry, he irons the shirts and folds the clothes before putting them in the drawers. Their mum, Elena, works in the kitchen. Before lunch, she sets the table with plates, glasses, and forks. After lunch, she clears the table, washes the dishes in the sink, and dries the dishes with a towel. Finally, she takes out the trash and puts the heavy bag into the big bin outside. At 4 p.m., the work is finished. The house smells fresh and clean, and everyone sits down together to relax. Now try to answer the questions below. What 3 things does Sarah clean in the bathroom? What does Leo do with his books and toys? What does Tom use to dust the furniture? What 2 things does Elena do to the table before and after lunch? True or false? The family finishes all the housework at 4 p.m.